Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this PS5 filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. To use this filter, use your rear camera. Okay, tap on the screen to place wherever you want. You can increase or decrease the size. Okay, likewise. And to get this filter on Instagram, what you can do, you can visit the creator profile. Kevin Storm is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. So check in his filter gallery, and this is the filter PS5. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. And suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Likewise. And likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.